Turning now to a family's fight to stay together.
Yeah, this is an emotional case involving charges of child abuse that they insist are just an awful misunderstanding.
But the state wants to end the father's parental rights to little Naomi. 7 Action News reporter Camilla Meary has the story from Howell.
She is a delightful child. She really is. She is so sweet. She's got a very sweet nature. She loves her daddy.
A grandmother, emotional but hopeful that her son will be reunited with his wife and little girl. Josh Burns spending a year behind bars in the Livingston County Jail after being found guilty of abusing his then 11-week-old daughter, Naomi. He said it was an accident, that Naomi slipped off his lap and he caught her face with his hand. Doctors discovered bleeding between the baby's skull and brain. But Naomi's parents and some medical experts testified those injuries were caused by a traumatic birth, not physical abuse. Today, Joshua Burns was in court again. Now it's up to a judge to decide whether Burns' parental rights will be terminated. The Department of Human Services filed the civil action. Their attorney would not talk to 7 Action News about the case.
I'm hopeful that the judge will see the importance of Naomi having her daddy in her life.
That same judge who showed leniency towards Burns when a jury found him guilty earlier this year of second-degree child abuse, a 10-year felony, but the judge only sentenced him to 1 year in the county jail.
The parents in this case and their supportive relatives and friends are amazing, and I think it's to the credit of the Mr. and Mrs. Burns that they have such wonderful people in their life.
Family and friends set up a website, tornfamily.com, so they can tell their story and educate others on what they say is a huge miscarriage of justice. Josh's wife, Brenda, Naomi's mother, is hopeful, and she says the now toddler is thriving.
Naomi is doing exceptionally well. She is very bright, very smart. I'm so grateful for the support of our family and friends, and they hold us up under this weight.
Now, testimony is set to resume next week in this case, and the judge is asking for written closing arguments, so there will not be a verdict until later this month. In Howell, Camilla Meary, 7 Action News.
A new